Let's go for the second method, zip. In the zip method, we are going to use the dictionary as well as the list. That means if you want to change the dictionary keys with the list elements for it, which is Akshat, Smith, Pranав, and the Sahil with A, B, C, and the D. So that's why we are going to initialize the list for it. In this, we are going to use a dict method. After that, with the zip followed by with the zip method, which is having the two parameters list and to the list dictionary values. That is, and what does the zip method does is going to use the key list notations as the key, and then our dictionary values followed by back, which we are going to store in our dictionary too. After that, for an output that let that is Akshat get replaced with A, Smith get replaced with B, Kunal get replaced with C, and Sahil gets replaced with D.